Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay, today we do some practicals about the things dissolve in water and change the color. In earlier PDF I send you things dissolve in water. Today I send you the things change in water, color change in water and does not color change in water. Okay, so firstly we have take the some things for the practical. Now look at here, this is the flour, wheat flour, this is the turmeric, this is the dal, this one is the sugar, this one is the cooking soda and this one is the salt, and here is the lemon juice. Okay, so shall we start the practical now? We take a 1 glass of water and we do the dissolve in water and change the color of the water. So firstly I put some sugar in the water and pour it. Right? I stir sometimes. Now look at children. Have you changed in water? Color change of the water? No. And this is the completely dissolved also. Right? The sugar is completely dissolved and not change the color. Right? Okay, now we do the another glass and take a cooking soda. Right? I pour cooking soda in the water. Now look at what is the changes? Nothing. Completely dissolve and not change of the color of water. Right? Okay. Now then after I take sugar and salt. I pour in the water and this is the, now look at children, it is completely dissolved and not change the color. Clear student? Okay. Now I take another glass and pour the dal. This one is the dal. I put in the glass. Look at children. Change the color? No. Color is not changed but dissolve in water. Now look at here. Dal is there. Not dissolve in water. Right? This is the practical you do at home also. Now I take flour and put in the glass. Now look at children. Color is change. Color change. Right? Okay. Now I take the glass another one and pour the turmeric in the water. Now completely change. Dissolve but completely change the color. Clear student? Okay. So today we take the experiment of the something, change the color, dissolve in water, and you do the again oil also, lemon juice also you can pour. Here I pour the lemon juice in the water. Now look at children. It is completely dissolved in water but not the color change. Right? Okay. Now you do the practical at home and you take some other things and do the practical. Okay. Now here is the classify into things, color of the water changes and color of water does not change. Okay, cooking soda. Have you seen? Have you seen the practical? Okay, cooking soda. If we pour the cooking soda, the water is not changed. So color change of water? No, color of water does not change. Then cooking soda, here we write cooking soda. Right? Now soap water also, here is the change the color. I have not available soap water, but if you do the practical at home, then change the color. Now oil is also change in color. Sugar does not change the color. haldi is change the color. Now salt does not change the color, right? Sarbat, then sarbat is does not. Some sarbat is the change the water color, and some sarbat has not changed the color of the water, right? These are the practical of your ES. When the river is there, some things we add in the water that change the color, dissolve in water, some not dissolve in water. That type of the pollution also take place in the water. Some things we can see easily, something we cannot see easily through the river water. Okay, now here is the difference river and sea. First number, river flows from the hill or the mountain. Where the river flows? River flows from the हिल एंड द माउंटेन. कहाँ से निकलती है रिवर? हिल में से या तो माउंटेन में से निकलती है. ओके, नाउ हियर सी फॉर्म फ्रॉम द मर्ज वाटर ऑफ द रिवर. सी कैन नॉट बी ओरिजिन, बट सी इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ द मर्जर ऑफ द होल द वाटर और होल द रिवर और पॉन्ड और लेक. क्या होता है? सी कहीं से निकलता नहीं है, पर वो मर्जर एक रिवर के अंदर दूसरी रिवर, तीसरी रिवर ऐसे मर्ज करके सी का फॉर्मेशन होता है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड नंबर, वाटर ऑफ द रिवर इज ड्रिंकेबल. द रिवर वाटर, इफ द वाटर इज ड्रिंकेबल एंड रिवर वाटर इज प्योर व्हेन द river flows from the hill, it is the very clean. Okay, so with that water we can drink after some doing the process. Okay, now second number, sea water is salty, it is not drinkable, but the sea water is very salty. All the minerals and salt is dilute in the water, so sea water is very salty, it is not drinkable. Third number, river water is useful for farming. River water is useful for farming. River का water जो होता है वो कैनल के थ्रू हम फार्मिंग के लिए उसको सप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Sea water is not useful for farming. सी का वाटर जो होता है वो प्रिफरेबल नहीं है फार्मिंग के लिए, बिकॉज salty water is there and the crops is die. So sea water is not useful for the farming. Fourth number, river water flows into the sea. Earlier I told you river water is flowing on and merge into the sea, right? Sea water does not flow but produce only waves. Sea water does not flowing. Sea water is the stored water. It is not flowing, but it produce big and big waves, right? You see the waves. Waves क्या होता है ना? सी में जाते तो waves के अंदर मजा आती है खेलने की, नहाने की, तो वो waves प्रोड्यूस करता है, वो फ्लो नहीं होता. सी वाटर फ्लो नहीं होता है. 5 नंबर, रिवर कैन ड्राई अप समटाइम्स. रिवर जो होती है वो समर सीजन में ड्राई हो जाती है. कोई जो रिवर होती है वो ड्राई हो जाती है, सूख जाती है. बट सी कैन नॉट ड्राई एनी टाइम. बट जो सी होता है वो कभी भी ड्राई नहीं होता, उसके अंदर फुल्ली वाटर होता ही है ना. तो ये प्रैक्टिकल जो मैंने किया वो आप घर पे भी कर सकते हो और आप दूसरी एक्स्ट्रा चीज लेके भी उसको प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हो. ओके, और ये हमारा डिफरेंस है वो आपको लर्न जरूर करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, बाय बाय.